Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make a secure blockchain wallet. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this. The first thing you want to do is to search up blockchain sign up and click the first link that pops up. Enter your email address and a secure password. If you need help choosing a password, I recommend using LastPass password generator. Now that you're in your wallet's dashboard, you want to hit setting then general. Your wallet ID will be on the right. Your wallet ID is completely individual to you, and it is what you will use to log in and access your wallet, so keep it somewhere hidden but accessible. Now we can add 2FA because even the strongest passwords can be broken or compromised by an attacker. To use 2FA, click on the Security Center and click Enable 2FA. Use your preferred app and follow the on-screen prompts. Lastly, we want to make sure we store our backup phrase. This phrase gives you a way to restore your wallet and access your funds in the event that you lose your password or you can't log in. This is why it's important to store your backup phrase safely, because anyone that has it can log into your account. To access your backup phrase, click Security Center and then it will show you your phrase 4 words at a time. I recommend to store this on a USB and encrypt it. Now you can start using your wallet. Rumor has it that if you join our Telegram you will magically get 1 Bitcoin. Just try it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and seriously join the Telegram.